Nani, I really wonder why a lot of foreigners visit the Philippines. I'm curious of what makes it different from my country.
Well, you know what, Sherry? The Japanese people, just like you, is also eager to visit my country, primarily because Filipino people are very hospitable. Not only that, we also offer endless possibilities and experiences. Now let me tell you a story why.
In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a gem waiting to be discovered, the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines, where every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. Immerse yourself in the rhythm of our festivals.
Babanam kiwalam babanam kiwalam babanam babanam kiwalam babanam babanam kiwalam babanam babanam kiwalam babanam babanam kiwalam.
Tatawagin kang kaibigan na pinakamatali.
Una, kaya. Una, kaya. Ay! Una, kaya. Una, kaya. Ay! Pinuhay mo ang diwami, naning siwag ginilimi. 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 Una, kaya. Una, kaya. Ay!
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasudlang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangangakit kumakaway. That is one reason why the foreigners love to visit the Philippines.
Arigato gozaimasu, Obasan. I really felt that I am in the story. Now I want to go to the Philippines.